All right, we've been dealing with summer-like conditions. You know, that's the standard for us now because summer has been so nice so far.
But Suze, I was getting kind of used to it.
Exactly.
I was like, wait, maybe we can keep this going, even though deep down I knew.
It was a nice summer standard to have.
It was. But August is here.
Yep.
And we are cranking up the heat here in Southern California. But the good news is we are going to get you through it. That's what we're here for.
Yep, that's right.
And we're going to get everybody prepared because, Susie, we are talking triple-digit heat.
That's right. A next weather alert, too, Dani.
And a next weather alert, too, that's going to be in effect. So we're going to talk about it. We're going to get you, your family prepared. And you can see as we're going into tomorrow, things are going to heat up. But this, though, Susie, is what we dealt with today. Temperatures close to average, which is what we like to see. So it was another day close to average. We hit 84 in downtown Los Angeles, 95 in San Bernardino. We have one more day like that. And then things are going to be changing as we go into Thursday and Friday. These are the days I'm starring as the really hot days here in Southern California. So let's talk about it. So Woodland Hills will be in the upper 90s tomorrow, still close to average. But look at what happens once we get to Thursday, 104 degrees. This is going to be the norm in a lot of valley locations, a lot of folks in the Inland Empire. And it's all because this lovely trough, this Oregon low that's been bringing us those cooler temperatures. We're about to say bye-bye to this guy. We want to keep him around, but it's high pressure that's going to start to surge in this summer ridge that's going to get closer to us over the next couple of days. And this is going to bring us the hotter temperatures, less of that onshore flow, especially further inland. And that's why this next weather alert is for everyone here in Southern California. The only areas not included in this red, it's going to be the immediate coastline. So you can see Antelope Valley, our valleys, inland Los Angeles. That's the case for Orange County, our inland areas there, and all of our mountains seeing temperatures well above average. So Tuesday, still normal, warmer Wednesday, heat peaks Thursday, still pretty hot Friday. And then we're looking ahead to the weekend, and that's when we're going to start to see some cooling here in Southern California. Tomorrow morning is fairly quiet. We'll hit 64 in downtown Los Angeles with a quiet afternoon, a little bit warmer than today, but not too shabby. We still have mid 80s in downtown Los Angeles, upper 90s in the high deserts, and then you can see 70s at the beaches. 86 degrees in Fullerton, and then 99 over into Riverside. So speaking of the Inland Empire, I want to do something for you right now. So follow me back here. I'm going to pull up this map that you've seen me pull up of the Inland Empire. What I want to do is first pull up our high temperatures tomorrow, and then we're going to jump to Thursday's temperatures. Okay, so look, San Bernardino getting warmer, close to 100, 99 in Riverside, 96 in Ontario. Now check this out. We go straight to Thursday. You guys look at this widespread triple-digit heat. Look at Riverside at 106 degrees. So we issue this next weather alert because this is dangerous heat, especially for sensitive groups. We've got 100 in Corona. Follow me this way. 98 in Covina, 96 in Yorba Linda. So even our valleys, you can see that in Anaheim, talking temperatures in the low to mid 90s. So this is why we prepare you. And especially because this summer has been on the cool side, this is kind of a shock to the system. So the days that we're highlighting here in the next weather sphere, it's going to be Thursday and Friday, temperatures in the lower 90s, and we're going to start to see some cooling this upcoming weekend. Here's a look at the valleys. Tuesday, we're pretty close to average, warmer Wednesday, but the next weather alert really doesn't go in effect until Thursday and Friday. This is when we're more concerned with the heat here in Southern California. Inland Empire, upper 90s Tuesday, 100s Wednesday, 106 degrees Thursday, close to that Friday, but this weekend still warm, but we're starting to go in the right direction, so that's good news. High deserts will be in the triple digits, 107 Thursday. Again, Thursday's the hottest day, but you can still see Friday's pretty toasty. Even the beaches warming into the lower 80s, but we're not quite reaching that heat risk there. Coming up, though, I want to talk about elevated fire danger and also air quality. You probably see it out there in the Inland Empire. We'll break that down for you in your next weather.
Now you can get your KCAL news, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.